Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to activate Elementor layout for WooCommerce product in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on left side you see Elementor and then you see setting. So open it. Now Elementor setting open and scroll down. We are in general tab and then you see post type. You see multiple option and then you see product. So enable this option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see add new button, so click on it. Now add new product open and scroll down. In product page you see edit with Elementor, so click on it. Now loading. So we publish product and then you see product in Elementor layout. So currently we not added any product title or price, but you see image and product title and then you see category. So you can create layout according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.